Music, upbeat, dynamic, slightly more urgent pace. Visuals, fast-paced graphics, microscopic views, glowing stock charts, company logos, prominent insider buying, significant ETF accumulation, financial upside, and key catalysts are highlighted with brief, impactful animations. Stats appear as bold, clear text on screen. Opening segment host, energetic, direct, fast-paced. Welcome, growth hunters, to our most insightful deep dive yet. Today, we're unleashing a rapid-fire exploration into the thrilling, high-risk world of U.S. microcap stocks. These smallest public companies, often under $300 million market cap, represent the earliest stages of innovation, offering truly explosive growth potential for those who understand the landscape. We're not just looking at their core business. We're scrutinizing the critical signals: prominent insider buying, significant ETF accumulation, core financial upside, and the key recent catalysts driving their 2025 trajectories. This isn't investment advice, but a powerful lens for uncovering the market's hidden, earliest stage opportunities. Let's jump in. Stock 1: CANDEL Therapeutics, Inc., open parenthesis, CADL, close parenthesis. Host, first up, CANDEL Therapeutics, ticker CADL. This clinical stage biotech pioneers innovative cancer immunotherapies. On June 25, 2025, Director Paul B. Manning's acquisition of over 1 million shares for $5 million shows profound confidence in their oncolytic viral platform. This technology aims to turn cold tumors hot, making them responsive to treatment. With updated overall survival data for key programs expected this year, analysts project over 400% upside, driven by anticipated Phase 2 data for pancreatic and lung cancer, and preparing for a BLA submission in prostate cancer by late 2026. Stock 2: Quantum Computing Inc., QUBT. Host, next, Quantum Computing, ticker QUBT, a pure play in the nascent quantum technology space, moving from R&D to commercialization. In June 2025, trader ETFs launched QUBT-specific leverage funds, underscoring institutional bets on their recent milestone, the first commercial entangled photon source shipment. This propels them into quantum cybersecurity, driving 44% year-over-year revenue growth and positioning them for significant gains in the multi-billion-dollar quantum communication market. Stock 3: SERV Robotics, SERV. Host, our third pick, SERV Robotics, ticker SERV. They're revolutionizing last-mile logistics with food delivery robots. Postmates, an Uber subsidiary, purchased over 1.1 million shares, a clear validation of their scalable robotic infrastructure. With 150% sequential Q1 2025 revenue growth and doubling their household reach since December, SERV is rapidly gaining ground in the burgeoning autonomous delivery market, deploying new Gen 3 robots with higher capacity. Stock 4: Bright Minds Biosciences, drug. Host. Moving on. Bright Minds Biosciences, ticker DRUG. This biotech is developing novel neuropsychiatric treatments. In Q4 2024, Cormorant Asset Management's purchase of over 600,000 shares highlights belief in their lead candidate, BMB-101. This compound, which completely eliminated drop attacks in preclinical models, holds 224% analyst upside specifically for Dravet syndrome, a severe form of epilepsy. Stock 5: MONOPAR Therapeutics, MNPR. Host, our fifth, MONOPAR Therapeutics, ticker MNPR, a clinical stage biotech focused on rare and difficult-to-treat cancers. Their late 2024 $21 million private placement, with significant investor participation, fuels development of their promising radiopharmaceutical programs. Their June 2025 inclusion in the Russell 2000 Index signals broader institutional appeal, with positive preclinical data supporting their targeted therapies like MNPR, 101ZR. Stock 6: AMPRIUS Technologies, Inc. AMPX. Host. Next, AMPRIUS Technologies, ticker AMPX. They're pioneering disruptive silicon anode battery technology. Their Q1 2025 saw significant new customer purchase orders, and their 450 watt-hours per kilogram SiCore cell was named Best in Show at the 2025 International Battery Seminar. This innovation drives their 383% year-over-year revenue growth, positioning them for key roles in the high-performance EV and aerospace markets. Analysts project over 55% upside. Stock 7, SENSUS Healthcare, SRTS. Host, let's discuss SENSUS Healthcare, ticker SRTS. They specialize in medical devices for superficial radiation therapy. Their Q1 2025 saw 21 SRT systems shipped, attracting small-cap value funds due to their unique, non-invasive skin cancer treatment. With 65% increase in treatment volume from new FDA accounts, they project 40% revenue growth and company-wide profitability for the full year 2025. Stock 8, VERU Inc. VERU. Host, on to VERU Inc., ticker VERU. A biopharma focused on novel medicines for cardiometabolic and inflammatory diseases. In the first quarter of 2025, MPM BioImpact and UBS Group AG significantly increased holdings, eyeing their positive Phase 2b quality trial results for enobosarm. This promising drug, designed to augment GLP-1 RA effects, has analysts seeing 380% stock price upside and an expected end of Phase 2 FDA meeting in Q3 2025. Stock 9, MINDTECK MTEC. Host, our 9th, MINDTECK, ticker MTEC, an IT services firm specializing in embedded systems and digital transformation. With promoters holding 64.36%, showcasing strong insider control, their Q1 2025 saw a 5% net profit rise. Their niche expertise in IoT, cloud, and cybersecurity positions them for consistent growth driven by increasing global IT spending and key contract wins. Stock 10, VERTRA Inc. VTSI. Host up next, VERTRA Inc., ticker VTSI. They're a leader in realistic training simulators for law enforcement and military. Their Q1 2025 bookings surged 120% year over year to $6.4 million, boosting their backlog to $21.2 million. This growth underscores future revenue potential from critical public safety contracts and their strategic re-entry into the GSA procurement program. Stock 11, TWST Bioscience, TWST. Host, our 11th stock, TWST Bioscience, ticker TWST, a leader in synthetic biology, enabling groundbreaking research. Massive ETF backing from ARK Invest and Vanguard aligns with their record Q2 2025 revenue of $92.8 million, plus 23% year over year. Their recent spin-out of DNA data storage into Atlas Data Storage unlocks value, allowing TWST to focus on core revenue growth and achieving adjusted EBITDA break-even by fiscal 2026. Stock 12, Rocket Lab USA, RKLB. Host, next, Rocket Lab USA, ticker RKLB, a prominent player in space launch and spacecraft manufacturing. It's June 30th, 2025. Russell 1000 Index Edition triggers huge ETF accumulation, validating their $1 billion backlog and projected 37% revenue growth. With the Neutron rocket's development progressing towards its mid-2025 online target, Rocket Lab is poised to launch 98% of all projected satellites through 2029. Stock 13, ZOMEDICA Corp. ZOM. Host, our next company, ZOMEDICA Corp., ticker ZOM, focused on veterinary diagnostics and therapeutics. Their Q1 2025 revenue grew 52% year over year, driven by robust adoption of their TRUFORMA diagnostic platform and other key products like PulseVet. This strong performance, backed by $65 million in liquidity, positions them for continued double-digit growth in the rapidly expanding pet care market, which has a total addressable market exceeding $2 billion in the U.S. Stock 14, TUSIMPLE Holdings. TSP. Host, our penultimate pick, TUSIMPLE Holdings, ticker TSP, a pioneer in autonomous truck technology. Despite recent corporate restructuring, their pioneering L4 autonomous driving technology holds immense long-term upside in the freight industry. The potential for strategic partnerships and a reignition of revenue growth from their autonomous freight network, AFN, could significantly disrupt logistics automation. Stock 15, Energy Fuels Inc. Ooh! Host, finally, Energy Fuels Inc., ticker UUUU, a key U.S. player in uranium and rare earth mining, vital for energy independence. It's heavily held by the Global X-Uranium ETF, URA, and their record May 2025 uranium production, up 71% month over month, positions them for significant earnings growth. Analysts maintain a strong buy consensus amidst increasing global demand for critical minerals. Closing segment, Music, uplifting and positive, swelling slightly. Host, that wraps our intensive 7-minute deep dive into 15 high-growth microcap stocks. We've unpacked crucial insider and ETF signals, explored their financial upside, and highlighted recent catalysts that could propel them forward. Remember, while this market segment offers exceptional potential, the risks are commensurately high. Be prepared for volatility, lower liquidity, and a greater reliance on specific company milestones. Always conduct exhaustive personal research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Host, thanks for joining. Growth Hunters. If you found this fast-paced insight valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and activate notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive. Until then, stay sharp and happy hunting.